Hey guys, this is Ron here. I wanted to share this letter I just got from the Attorney General's office. I came in from work this evening. It was there. Filed a complaint with them August. It was the second week in August, if I remember right. And they finally got back in touch with me. It's been over 3 months. They were supposed to within 3 months investigate it, but it took them over 3 months just to respond to me. But it is in violation of Alabama firearms law. Dear Mr. Alexander, thank you for filing a complaint with the Alabama Attorney General's office regarding an alleged violation of Alabama's amended firearms law. I have enclosed a complaint form to assist you in filing your complaint. Please complete the form and return it to the address listed on the front of the complaint form. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. Monica Sheeler, Assistant Attorney General. Well, like I said, I filed it 3 months ago, and they're sending me this now, which I guess is one thing. Showing a copy of the letter where I actually sent an email. I'm going to contact them back tomorrow. Try to contact Miss Sheeler. Let's see. Let me go back to it. Make sure I said her name right. Monica Sheeler, because I had sent them a email first through their website, and that's kind of what this is really talking about. Says that the law does not require to use this complaint form, nor does the law prohibit anonymous complaints. However, if you submit a complaint by telephone or email, or if you use a different complaint form, or if you use this form but refuse to provide your contact information and signature, or if you make some other form of anonymous complaint, your complaint may or may not be investigated at the discretion of the investigating agency. Okay, I took the form off of the internet, printed it, filled it out, plus I sent them a letter, and in that letter, which they do have a copy of it, I also emailed them the letter just in case. I didn't want there to be a problem. And the letter read, on August 20th, 2013, the City of Hayville, located at 1901 11th Avenue, Hayville, Alabama, in Winston County, installed no weapon signs at all entrances of the City Hall. These entrances being the front and rear doors of the police department, front and rear entrances of City Hall, and north side entrance doors that are in direct access to the Hayville Water and Sewer Department. I understand that according to the new state law, a police department is now considered a no-weapon zone, except for those with express permission. I am also under the understanding that the City Hall is a no-weapon zone as well, but only during City Council meetings and during municipal court proceedings. I notified the Hayville Mayor, Mr. Ken Sinceri, of my understanding of the law. He said that was not his understanding. It was public places where people could gather, and that gave him the right to have these signs put up. Mayor Sinceri advised me that the signs would stay up until he was ordered to take them down. I am requesting an investigation into this, as well as an Attorney General's opinion to whether municipality can legally install and enforce no weapon signs on public property operated by such municipality at any other of its locations as well. I am sending this letter via internet, as well as mailing a notarized copy per UPS with enclosed pictures of all the entrances of the Hayville City Hall. As everyone is aware, our rights as Americans seem to be slipping away more and more each day. Things thought to be illegal was actually a God-given right. Many Alabamians were under the impression that the new firearms law would help to clarify some of this, but since August 1st, it appears each county and municipality is making their unconstitutional opinions with little disregard for the law. If a citizen was to do this, we would be held to a higher standard and would suffer the penalty. Thank you in advance for your time looking into this matter. Again, I did send it over the internet, and I assume this is the reason I'm getting this response. But I also mailed them a copy, certified letter with pictures of all of this, all the discrepancies, and I had them notarized as well. So I will call her tomorrow and make sure I do need to still fill this form out and send it to her, and if so, it will be put in the mail tomorrow afternoon. Now, just let y'all look over it with me real quick. It has several questions. Of course, all my personal information. And then the first question was, is the establishment you are attempting to gain access to with your firearm any of the following? A police, sheriff, state highway patrol, a correctional institution, prison or county jail, community correction facility or halfway house, other detention facilities for those who have been charged with or convicted of a criminal or juvenile offense, a medical facility that provides inpatient or custodial care for those with psychiatric disorders, mental disorders, or emotional disorders, a governmental building, courthouse annex, a building in which a district attorney's office is located, or a county commission building, or a building where a county commission holds public meetings. A city council building, or building where the city council holds public meetings. That one's going to be questionable now. It is a city council building where a city council holds public meetings. I don't remember that being anywhere in the new law. Do y'all? When you're having a city council meeting or court. Didn't say anything about all public meetings, did it? Or just a building where the city council is. Okay, let's go on. That may be something they're going to try to use. We'll see. Educational facility. Private or public, elementary, secondary, or any private or public institution of post-secondary education. Was the educational facility host an athletic event not related to or involving firearms, which is sponsored by a private or public elementary school or private or public institution of post-secondary education? Do you own a concealed carry permit? Aha! Somebody knows the law, don't they? Was the facility hosting a professional athletic event not related to or involving firearms? Do you own or carry a concealed permit? Okay. Number 6. Was the establishment you were attempting to gain access to posted with any of the following? Security guards, magnetometers, key cards, biometric screening devices, turnstiles, or other physical barriers? Were there notices at the public entrance of the establishment you were attempting to enter with your firearm alerting those entering that firearms were prohibited? Then there's different information and comments. And then they want it notarized. Of course, I've already notarized it once. So, and sent it to them, but if I need to, I will do it again. But I thought y'all would find this interesting. I just wanted to share it. Guys, maybe Bama Carey is on the ball now. We're going to get some things going, I hope. I hope that the Attorney General's office is taking this serious. It appears they are, but they really have been sitting on it as long as they possibly could. But who knows? They may just be doing the best they can. We'll see. Thanks, guys.